Hey guys, what is up? My name is Ryan and welcome to another video. Now let's face it, there's an absolute ton of earbuds being produced by a lot of different companies out there, and sometimes it can be difficult choosing the right one. And before buying a pair of earbuds, there are a few things that need to be ticked off to make sure that you have made the right choice when choosing a new pair of wireless earbuds. For some, affordability is the most important aspect, but a lower price tag is often associated with a lower quality experience. While I think the FlyPods wireless earbuds by Tensky hope to bridge the gap between quality and affordability. These earbuds promise the average consumer a premium stereo sound driven by a dynamic deep bass, all this for under $40. The unboxing experience is quite the regular one. What you get is the earbuds, the charging case and USB-A to USB-C cable, along with a set of replaceable silicone ear tips that come in 3 sizes to accommodate the user's ear type. And of course, there is a user manual which I'm pretty sure no one ever reads. In regards to the setup, you just need to take out the earbuds, which will begin the automatic pairing process. You then go into your Bluetooth settings on your phone and it should be able to detect the FlyPods. Once you're connected, you're all good to go. I really like how they instantly connect when taking the earbuds out of the charging case. The Bluetooth 5.1 in these earbuds offers a stable connection of more than 10 meters, so you won't need to have your phone close to you at all times. I love the digital power display on the charging case that tells you the battery of the charging case and how much juice is left in each of the earbuds, which is really cool. Open the lid and glance at the display. This is a feature that a lot of the bigger brands need to start having. So Apple, if you're listening, it would be really appreciated if you can include a digital power display on the AirPods charging case. So in terms of battery life, well, the earbuds can be used for 7 hours in a single use, and the charging case can bring you up to 50 hours of battery life for the earbuds, so that alone is pretty impressive. This therefore means you won't have to charge them regularly. I truly love that the charging case supports fast charging, so you won't have to do a lot of waiting while they are being charged up. I must say though, the earbuds do surprisingly feel very high quality for the asking price due to their ergonomic and lightweight design. Putting these on, they fit comfortably in the ear and offer that adequate adjustability. And at only 4.2 grams of each earbud, you're going to barely notice you've got them on while exercising or just simply walking around. Although the FlyPods are not noise cancelling earbuds, the silicone ear tips in these earbuds offer a good enough seal and keeps them in place without falling out. What's so fantastic about this build is the earbuds come with a touch sensitive design, so you can actually do a wide range of things just from the earbuds alone, such as increasing and decreasing the volume, Siri activation, skipping tracks, playing and pausing music, and even rejecting and accepting calls. Now the audio quality is always going to be a huge factor when it comes to purchasing a pair of earbuds, and luckily Tensky have delivered on that. The build brings you a stereo sound quality with unique digital audio processing, which gives the user a good enough clarity of sound, which makes it perfect for music, movies and calls. A single tap to increase the volume will truly give you that immersive sound quality. Of course, it isn't going to compete with the higher end models on the market, but for the price, you're getting that nice sound quality. These aren't completely waterproof, but with an IPX5 rating, you're going to get protection against light rain, sweat, and accidental splashes from external sources. Despite not being completely waterproof, it is more than good enough for those late night runs. All in all, the FlyPods will give you that truly immersive wireless experience for an affordable price of $39.99. But you can get these for even cheaper if you wish to use my discount code right here, and I will leave all the details in the description below. I hope this video will help those of you who are looking for a pair of wireless earbuds at an affordable price. I've got an awesome video coming your way very soon on the new 10th generation iPad by Apple, and if there's a specific video you would like to see on the iPad, then be sure to let me know in the comments below. I've been Ryan and I will speak to you guys soon. Take care.